Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit card with M&T Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your credit card with M&T Bank, begin by locating their official website. Once there, navigate to the login section. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you've forgotten your login credentials, look for the Forgot Username or Password link. Click on this link to initiate the recovery process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your social security number and account number. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once verified, you will receive a link to reset your password or retrieve your username. After successfully resetting your password or retrieving your username, return to the login page. Enter your credentials again to access your account. Once logged in, locate the cards section in your account dashboard. Here, you will find information about your credit cards. If your card is lost or stolen, look for the option to report it. Follow the prompts to report your card as compromised. After reporting, you will be guided through the process of ordering a replacement card. If you need immediate assistance, consider calling M&T Bank's customer service. The number is available on their website or on the back of your card. Have your personal information ready when you call for verification purposes. Once you receive your replacement card, ensure it is activated properly. Follow the instructions included with the card for activation. After activation, set a new PIN if required. Check your online account periodically for any unauthorized transactions. This will help ensure your account remains secure. If any suspicious activity occurs, report it immediately to M&T Bank. This comprehensive guide should help you recover your credit card and maintain your account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.